During this course, we often use the command line, but also other methods such as the graphical tools and web interface. In the beginning, we focus on the command line. We will start with the command line for these reasons. Firstly, there is a long history with Git command lines. Git was originally designed as a command line tool, and the graphical clients came later. Moreover, and as a result, the new features are integrated into the command line before being integrated into a graphical client. Finally, online researches, websites, blogs, and so on. These tutorials mainly use the command line to communicate about how Git works. That is to say, you may often have problems or omissions, or at least you may need to do researches to answer your questions. In addition, the command line has more power. Graphical clients implement only the main and commit commands, but leave out very powerful options, for example, those of Windows, Mac, Linux, and large platforms. I will enter my command in Git that is specific to a platform. Besides, the command line is back into popularity with new development tools focusing on the command line interface. Getting comfortable with the terminal has a real interest. Once you understand how Git works, you can use graphical clients. There are many options including excellent IDE integration. Learn Git first through the command line and then add the graphical tools later.